Okay, so in component did mount, what we want to do, we want to invoke, in the reducer, we want to invoke this find all modules so that it can give us data back. Yes? So how do we do that? Again, it's always through properties. Always through properties. Just like we did this props delete, this props create, we're going to do a this.props.find all modules. Give me modules. Right? And so where does this go? In the mapper. Right here, the mapper, right? We're going to call the dispatch. We're going to send an action, and the action is going to be, we want this to execute, right? So the action type, right, is going to be a string that find all modules. I don't need to pass any arguments, right? I don't need to pass any arguments. Well, I guess I could, couldn't I? I could pass what the modules would be, but because presumably these modules are coming from the server, yes? Right? I could pass something else. Let's maybe copy some from here. And this might be module instead of 1, 2, 3. This might be B and C. Right? So this then, since I'm passing it through the action, the reducer can then say, oh, what am I going to pass you? Not the state. I'm going to pass you that the modules is whatever the server came back with, right? Action.modules. Right? So if we go back and render this, notice that it's ABC. It's coming from the find all modules. Yes? If I wouldn't have called it here, we would be getting the default one. See that? Right, we'll be getting the default. But because I'm explicitly asking for them, right, I'm passing the modules. These modules, I'm hard coding it over here, but typically this would come from the server, and we'll do that in a minute. Right, so I'm getting ABC. Yes? All right. Finally, let's go fetch this from the server. Right? So let's go fetch some modules from the server.